What you talking about?
Shoebird.
Well, this is our part of Pinehurst neighborhood, right?
I feel like
And
we should head back now.
let's head back. I agree with you. And we are out here just to take a walk.
This is a Pinehurst cherry blossom.
All right. Which fell from that tree, that cute little tree.
It's cute inside, but big in age.
Cute.
I love the cherries.
I love them
I'll
too.
pick them fresh
You do?
this summer.
Oh yeah, there are places we can go, right? But aren't they a winter food? A fruit? What am I saying?
A winter fruit?
Winter fruit?
No.
No? Cherries.
A summer fruit and winter.
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait to pick them this spring.
Hey, guess what? April
Yeah.
is around the corner. What happens in April?
It's my birthday.
Hi, hi. How old are you gonna be?
6.
6. My.
It looks like I am already 6.
It feels like that?
Yeah. Well, no, it actually looks like it.
You do.
At school,
Huh?
you'll see what I mean.
I know. I've already seen it. I go to school, your school, remember? So,
Well, you've only gone there once.
well,
Well, that's the big ha-ha.
what do you mean by your school? I go pick you up every day when the school is in session. So I've seen that you're the tallest among your class. Is that what you mean?
No.
When you say that you already feel as if you're 6? This is our playground. Completely deserted because of the lockdown. So far, how many bears have we seen, Miss V?
Only 2.
Only 2 in that cute house over there, the white one. And we waved at the kids in there, and they waved back at us. And then we saw the one at the Burns house, huh? You know, at the corner of the park. And we saw a couple of fluffy friends there, right? Other than that, I think it's us only in that house over there.
I'm gonna wait until the tide comes back in.
Until what?
I have a golden bladder.
You gonna stand there? Come on, girl. Come on. Don't bump into something. Whatever you do. Okay, we gotta go. And quickly, just I want to capture those fluffy friends we saw earlier at Burns' place. Burns' family place. We missed the elephant, Victoria. How could we? Look, I'm glad we came back here.
It's not an elephant. That's a woolly mammoth.
Woolly mammoth.
Yeah.
That's.
They don't live now.
Huh. What about the next woolly mammoth?
That's not a woolly mammoth. That's a
Oh, there's a
rabbit.
bunny rabbit and the
Wait,
pink.
I have that little elephant.
You do?
There's a tiny little elephant down there.
Oh
You
yeah.
can only see his head and ear.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. It's just like the one you have. You call him Cupcake?
No, I call him mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
At home, his name is Basil. At school, his name is mac and cheese. And at your place, his name is cotton candy.
I love how it changes its names with the place it is at, huh? That's a cool concept.
Yeah, I love to have different names at each place.
Okay, we're moving to the Afridi family home. Oh, be careful. And the Citizen Kids Club.
Academy, Citizen Kids Club. Secret hideout.
Oh wow. Okay. That just happened.
Now it's time to fly ahead. Time to be obeyed. Time to fly ahead.
So, what do we see here?
A big bear.
A big bear. There it is. Oh. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go and end the video here. Stay healthy, everybody. Bye.